Alright guys, so in the background you're gonna hear some little arguing because we have some jackass fucking messing with our friends.
Dude, he's not over there.
Never mind. Not anymore. He's gone. He left. As you saw at the bottom of the screen. Ugh, that bright light. If you think that light is bright, fucking put that in the comments because that light's really bright. Even through the freaking quarter.
Where is he?
Sassana sent you a message. Ho ho ho. So
I'm just fucking I can barely see with my flashlight.
I'm surprised the guy hasn't popped up.
Telling me that I can't. Sean's like, I'm surprised the guy hasn't popped up.
He's gonna pop up when you least expect it.